In this video, I will show you how to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. First thing you want to do is go to your Discord, then click on your Discord server, and then here I don't have any bots yet, so the first thing you're going to do is to add a bot. You have to go to any browser. I'm going to Chrome, and then I'm going to click here and then type in top space GG and then enter, and then go ahead and click on the first website, top.gg. Then this website has millions of Discord bots, so I'm going to search for example, Google bot. So here, this is the Google bot. This is a bot to search stuff on Google to make life easier. So click on invite. Okay, and now you have to wait a second. You can see here you have to select the server that you want to add the bot to. So I'm going to select my server, so here, and then click continue, and then I'm gonna keep everything checked and then click authorize, and then I'm going to click confirm. Okay, just wait a second, and now you can see how it's been added. Success. Now I can go to my server, then go here, and then I can use the bot. So here I'm going to click here slash, and then let's say you can see there's so many, so slash help. So I'm going to actually try something else. Let me try slash meme, make a meme or something. So you can play around with the bot to see what it makes. So that's pretty much it. That's how to add a bot to your Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.